I make over $43,000 a month from my laptop, and I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. I'm going to walk you through the 5 steps that I took to starting as a complete beginner to build multiple online income streams that retired me early at age 55, all while working full time and being a grandma to 3 littles. So stick around because I'm going to share with you how I created passive income streams that work. Well, I don't, including a tool that you can start using today for free. Hey, if we haven't met yet, my name's Wendy. I'm a 56-year-old Canadian grandma who retired from her 9-to-5 job in October of 2024. And now I help fellow midlifers to build a flexible income online so they can finally enjoy the freedom that they deserve. Before we dive in, don't forget to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's below. It breaks down the exact strategy steps I took to go from burnt out in my 9-to-5 job to building a digital marketing business that gives me full-time freedom. So I started with an education that was able to pay me back. So that is kind of the foundation, because if you don't get this part right, you're going to waste your time, money, and energy trying all the wrong things like I did. The very first thing I did was to invest in a digital education program that came with master resell rights. That means that I got to learn digital marketing skills and resell the exact program that I was learning from for 100% profit, right? Genius, right? Now, I'm all about good education. Yes, there are a lot of amazing things you can learn online, and trust me, I've tried the Google University for quite some time, bouncing between YouTube videos, blog posts, and trying to figure it all out on my own. I even bought a few things that just didn't work. But I was working full time, juggling family life, and let's be real, my 55-year-old brain just wanted something simple. I didn't have time to piece things together or second guess if I was going to be learning the right thing. When I found a platform that had everything in one spot, the training, tech setup, tools, support, and even the ability to resell it, it was like, yes, please, a breath of fresh air. Like I didn't have to go digging. I just had to follow the steps. And to me, that was good for my 55-year-old brain. And here's the cherry on top. Like I've taken a lot of courses over the years, from how to do it yourself painting, graphic design, and these were great. They didn't pay me back like this one did, because it came with the rights to resell it as my own product. It wasn't just learning from it, I was able to earn from it. As a total beginner, that was pure gold. Before anyone yells pyramid scheme in the comments, nope, master resale rights are 100% legit. It's a rapidly growing part of the online educational world. And when you learn how to do it properly, it's one of the smartest ways to grow an income. Just Google it. So if you're someone who values education and wants to get paid while you learn, this is the best strategy that I have ever seen. And you know what? I'm going to show you how I used an absolutely free tool to run my business automatically, so I'm not stuck on my laptop or my phone 24/7. So stay with me in this video. Once I had the training, it taught me how to build a simple capture page, set up an email automation, promote a digital product to the right audience, use social media to generate traffic, so there's no paid ads, it's all free organic traffic. And once I started learning all of this, I followed the process and started sharing it on TikTok. I know, TikTok. Within 2 weeks, yes, just 2 weeks, I made my first sale and I earned back the entire investment. That was the moment I knew this worked. I wasn't stuck in a cycle of someday. I was building something real. That sale gave me so much confidence, I could see the path clearly for the first time ever. So you want to see how this business model actually works? I've got a free class below that walks you through the full strategy, step by step. Just go to the link and you'll see it. Now, what this program taught me, it was to turn the one income stream into multiple income streams, because the truth is, the more you diversify, the more freedom you have. So I started on TikTok and I grew my business to multiple 6 figures. But over the last 6 months, I discovered something even better, and that's YouTube. YouTube doesn't just help you grow a business, it pays you through AdSense. I didn't even know that existed. Now, I get paid for just posting content that I would have shared anyways. So whether you want to create a channel around something that you're passionate about, like dog training, retirement planning, health tips, or simply share your journey, YouTube gives you an edge. You can build a brand, help people, and create passive income all at the same time. And when you pair it with affiliate marketing, which we're going to get into, you're helping your audience and earning commission by recommending tools and products that you believe in. So stick with me because I'm going to share a little bit more about that in this video. It's really a win-win. So digital marketing is an in-demand skill set. And if you don't learn it, your business or your future business will struggle to grow online. Now, this isn't even just about online income. These skills apply to brick and mortar businesses too. In fact, according to Forbes, digital marketing is one of the highest in-demand skill sets right now. When I was managing the entertainment farm that I worked at for 25 years, I took what I learned from this educational program and applied it to their business. I set up an automated system with emails, I created follow-up systems, and I built out the customer's journey that brought people back. Now the result? We increased our profitability by over 30% in the year. Like, how amazing is that? I was literally blown away, and so were my employers, by the impact that this had on our business. Like, people are online, and this is a real world business skill set that every entrepreneur needs to know. Here's the truth. Automation is what gave me my time back. When I finally understood how to run my business on autopilot, it changed everything. Like, I wasn't stuck on my phone all day or manually chasing my leads. My business started working for me even while I was camping, spending time with my grandkids, or literally just enjoying life. We use a platform called System.io. Now, it's a system. It handles your website, your funnels, your emails, and sales, and it's completely free for up to 1,000 email subscribers. The program that I invested in is a completely educational business program course that teaches you digital marketing, and it gives you all the done-for-you materials like a fully built website, all the capture pages, and converting email sequence. Once you're in the program, you literally upload everything to System.io, and boom, your business is live and running. It's amazing, actually. That combo, a ready-to-go business system and a free platform like System.io, is why I was able to start making sales while I was working my 9-to-5. And eventually, I retired from it. So here's what I always tell beginners. Learn the skills of digital marketing with a master resell rights program. Use an automated platform like System.io to run it and give yourself the gift of time freedom. If you've been dreaming about starting something of your own, but you don't want to be stuck on your laptop 24/7, then automation is the answer. It's what allowed me to finally stop trading time for money. So if you want to grab your free System.io account, you can find it in the description below. Just go grab it and see for yourself. You don't need to figure out everything for yourself. You just need to find a system that actually works. And if I can go from Googling how to make money online to making $43,000 a month from my laptop as a 56-year-old grandma who started with zero experience, then you can too. Grab that Freedom Formula blueprint below if you haven't already got it, or if you want to watch the free full class that I have, it's down there as well, and just see how this all works. All right, so now that you know how I made $43,000 in a month, like from my laptop, and the exact steps I took to get there, you're going to want to watch this next video. It breaks down how I created 13 income streams from this program, retired at 55, and made over $650,000 in just over 1 year by using the same strategy. And when you combine that with what I just shared with you today, you're going to see just how doable this is for you as well, even if you're starting from scratch. You're not behind, you're not too old, you're exactly on time for your breakthrough. I'll see you in the next video, my friend.